Hello everyone, and meet the Vimiroo laundry room shelves, designed to maximize your home's storage space. This versatile 4-pack set includes sturdy shelves and steel mesh baskets for perfect organization. You can easily mount these units on the wall or hang them using the included kit. The heavy-duty stainless steel construction supports up to 95 pounds of your laundry supplies. Each piece features a beautiful shell pattern that adds a modern touch to any room. Assembly takes less than 2 minutes, so you can start decluttering your living space immediately. Transform your laundry room into a clean and organized oasis with this durable storage solution today. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.